How to check login info in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to check login info in Facebook. So then to begin with this procedure, you know the drill. Check your internet connection and update the application. After updating the application, log into your Facebook account, and after you logged into your account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. In order to check your login info on Facebook, tap on the tab bar icon located right on top. Over here, head over to the section of settings and privacy, which is right at the bottom. Once again, click on settings. Now this is going to take you to settings and privacy page. So right on top you have an option as account, so click on personal and account information. So after that, after you're on the settings and privacy page, over here click on password and security. Once you tap on password and security page, over here you'll be able to see all of your information, which means that where your account is actually logged in and to how many devices that your account is logged in, all that you can check all of these information, and that is basically how you can check your login info in Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.